Hey everyone, it's your luxury Las Vegas real estate agent Tyler here, and I'm going to take you on a quick tour of our newest property we just listed. So this is 891 Courtney Valley. It's a 4-bed, 3-bath, right here in between Green Valley and McDonald Ranch. It's a 2-story, it was built in 2000. It's beautiful. The awesome thing about this home right here is there's no association fees, no HOA, nothing like that. So you don't have to be bothered with these $40 to $60 a month payments. Enter into the entryway. Like I said, it's a 4-bed, 3-bath. One of the bedrooms downstairs. You have a bathroom, full bath downstairs. Built in 2000. It's 2364 square feet. We're asking $399,888. It's about to go on the market this week. A big, nice, open floor concept. You have the family room, living room. You can see all the way down to the other end of the house. One of the awesome things is the size of this lot, and it does have a pool. So entering in, you can see all the way around. Back around, and from right here you can go straight into the kitchen. Really nice open kitchen, big island. You put some bar stools up against it. You have the double stacked stoves, stainless. I'll take you down the hall right here. Here you have your mud room, laundry room. The washer dryer are included. And from here you go right out to your 3-car garage. Now the previous owner, they had converted the 3rd-car garage into either like an office or a work area. You could still use it as a 3rd car. So you see, coming on over, we have brand new water heater just installed this week in the 3rd-car garage. As you can see, there's an air conditioning unit in it, so if he was using it maybe as like a workroom or an office, you can still do that. You can use it as a 3rd car. It does have a water softener, water treatment. Really nice for out here. There's probably quite a bit of echo. Let me take you back inside. We go into the laundry room, back into the kitchen. Let's go this way. Here is the 4th bedroom. It's downstairs. Comes with a nice ceiling fan. Pretty tall ceilings in here. Right here, the backyard with the pool. Nice little view. So you do have a small walk-in closet. Take you back. Right here is the downstairs bath, full bath with the single sink, tub shower combo. If you want to use this as a guest room, an office, study, or if you have a family member who can't make it upstairs, it's a great option. Right here between the bedroom and bath, we have a little storage closet. Use it as a coat closet, storage, whatever you need. Let's take you back and around, and we'll go on upstairs. So again, this is a beautiful location, really family oriented. There's quite a few families outside with the kids playing on the street. Here we go upstairs, and you come right into this huge loft. Bonus room. Playroom. If you want to put a pool table up here, you can comfortably fit that. Let's take it on and around this way. So one of the upstairs bedrooms, there's 3 bedrooms upstairs, including the master. Nice, healthy size room. gonna go back on into the loft bonus room. Really large, 2 bedrooms up here. To the upstairs bath, double sink for the 2 upstairs bedrooms. Again, tub shower combo. Got your shower head, bath, right back into the stairwell. You have a small built-in for your linens. Coming right back over by the stairs. You have another closet up here. This home has quite a bit of storage. So let's take you into the second upstairs bedroom. Again, really healthy size. This one's pretty nice. You have the pool view up here. So right here, really nice sized pool. Coming back and around into the master closet. Again, this is our newest listing. It hasn't even gone on the market yet. Nice walk-in closet. Plenty of shelving and hanger space. Into the master. It has the ceiling fan and it has a balcony, overlooks the pool. And one of the coolest features about this home is you can actually see the Las Vegas Strip. Right on over there is beautiful Las Vegas Strip. You might not be able to see it with this camera. I apologize, but you can definitely see it. Coming back and around. This is a massive balcony. So you have the pool. Pretty neat thing about this pool is it is solar heated. There's a pipe that runs up to the ceiling, up to the solar panels, and you can heat the pool that way so you don't have to waste electricity. It's green, it's cheap. So coming on into the master bath, dual vanity, separate tub shower. Toilet area. Let's turn the light on. Back on and around to the master. Really nice size room. Let's go back on downstairs and down to the pool. So, again, this home is 2364 square feet in a fabulous location. If you'd like to see it, please don't hesitate to give me a call or an email. All of my contact information will be in the link down below in the description. Let's walk on outside. And you do have a bit of a covered patio because of the balcony upstairs. So, beautiful pool, has a water feature. Nice size lot. No grass, so it's very easy maintenance. So right here you do have a covered patio because of the balcony. You can put a small table, couple chairs right here. Let's go back around to the other side. So again, this is a very nice sized lot. Nice and big. You have 2 AC units. Right here's the pool pump, and you can see those pipes running up to the ceiling or to the roof. Those are your solar heaters. Love this property, love this location. Again, my name's Tyler. If you'd like to see this house in person, please give me a call. All my information is down in the description below. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.